Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Today we will be showing you how to install Kali Linux in a virtual machine. Let's get started. Open your Google browser and search for Kali Linux download. Then click on Get Kali from the web page. Once you are on the web page, you will see options for installer images, virtual machines, ARM and WSL and more. Select installer images. Then you will be able to see 64-bit, 32-bit, Apple Silicon, etc. So you have to select 64-bit and download the ISO image. Once it is downloaded, open your virtual machine, click on new. You have to give a name for your virtual machine. I'm giving Kali Linux, and in the type I'm selecting Linux, and in the version I'm selecting domain 64-bit. Click on next. So in the next page we have to set the base memory and processor. So I'm giving here 6125 MB as the memory, and processor I'm giving 4 cores as the processor. Click on next. So here we have to set the disk space. So I'm giving here around 44 GB as the disk space. So after that you can click on next. In this page you will be able to see the summary of the what we have provided for the virtual machine. Click on settings, select general, in that advanced, shared clipboard as bidirectional. Once it is done you can select system, display. So in that display you can make video memory as like 128 GB, and make sure graphics controller is VM SGVA, and enable 3D acceleration. Storage, there you can click on empty in controller IDE and select that icon. So there you have to click on create virtual machine. In that you have to select the Kali Linux or ISO image. Once it is done, you can go to network. In that network, if you want to SSH from outside, make it as bridge network. Once it is done, click on OK. Click on start. So the virtual machine will start now. It's powering up. It will ask for, here we can see 5 options. In that, select graphical install. So we have to select here language. I have selected English, and asking for the location, I'm giving India. We have to configure the keyboard. I'm giving here American English. Yeah, started it configuring. It will ask for the host name. We have to give a host name and click on continue. Configure the network, just skip that step. After that it will ask for the username. You can give a username here. Once you have entered the username, you can click on continue. Once you have given the username, it will ask for the password. You can give here a strong password. So once you have entered the password, click on continue. It will go to the partition disk. You have to select use entire disk. Click on continue. Make sure it is selected VBox hard disk and click on continue. So here you have to select all files in one partition. Click on continue. Finish partitioning and write the disk. Click on continue. It started installing the base system. It will take some time for the installation. So we have to select the software selection. So here we have to click on Genome and click on continue. install the grub bootloader. So I'm clicking here yes and select continue. And I'm selecting the hard disk where it have to install. So here it got finished. So I'm giving here continue. Installation is completed. Here we can see VirtualBox is getting rebooted. So I'm giving here Kali GNI Linux. So here we will be able to see Kali Linux is booting up. Once it is up, it will ask for username and password. So I'm going to full screen mode. So here we can see Kali Linux as a username. So we have to give the password. Once we have given the password, here we go. We'll be able to see Kali Linux. Yeah, when we are comparing with other Linux distros, so Kali Linux graphical user interface is good. Here you can see the applications in the Kali Linux. So I'm opening here terminal. I'm giving sudo apt update. It will ask for the password. I'm giving the password. It asking for upgrade. So I'm giving here sudo apt upgrade. Once everything is updated and upgraded, feel free to explore and enjoy using Kali Linux. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.